So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you the room in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. So this is the sliding side door access. You can see the whole of the back of the van is ply lined. We have the two rear doors, of course, just there, and a full metal bulkhead as well. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge, and then above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They are 9,934. You can change the information displayed in there for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information, including that digital readout for the speedometer. And the buttons that you would use to do that are just here. Beneath that, we have stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter as well. And then over in the center, we have the stereo itself. So this is where you can access various things. Obviously, you can pair your phone. So hit add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen from there. And your audio, of course. And there's a number of ways you can listen to music in this car. We have AM, FM and DAB radio, as you can see. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, and we have two separate USB inputs, so you can plug devices into those, and they will appear up on here as further options for you. Working our way down from that, we then have the air conditioning, so you can turn the system on firstly and adjust the fan speed up and down with this dial. You can determine what direction, or what temperature you'd like the air to be once it enters the vehicle, and then what direction you'd like it to be distributed in as well. The air conditioning is on when that light shows, so off or back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. And at the bottom here, we have a heated mirrors, heated front screen, heated driver's seat with 3 settings, and the same for the passenger just there. We then have a 6-speed manual gearbox, next to which we have one of the 2 USB inputs I mentioned before and a 12-volt charging socket there as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.